King Alarm is defending the actions of its guards, saying it was justified.
Teach them! Always make sure the message reach them!
Security company King Alarm is defending the actions of two of their employees who are implicated in the shooting death of 16-year-old Tae-Sean Marshall on Wednesday night. King Alarm says it believes the actions of their employees were justified. A video of the shooting is being circulated online, and in it, 3 males were seen walking along the roadway when it appears they were signaled to stop by a King Alarm vehicle. After what seems to be a brief conversation, one of the males can be observed running away. Another male appears to lift his shirt before falling to the ground. The men aboard the vehicle then alighted and appeared to fire at the male who was fleeing the scene. The company says the armed response team was responding to an intrusion alert at the premises on Brentford Road shortly before midnight on Wednesday. King Alarm says the shooting occurred after one of the individuals lifted his shirt as if to show he had no weapon. The company says the individual simultaneously reached for what appeared to be a firearm concealed in his waistband. In its statement, King Alarm says it is aware the individual reaching for his weapon may not be easily visible. An imitation firearm was allegedly seized during the shooting. King Alarm says it would have been impossible for their security personnel to have known the weapon was an imitation. Meanwhile, the police say when they arrived on the scene, an imitation firearm and a teenager were placed in their custody. Tae-Sean was taken to hospital where he was pronounced dead. The company says, based on its preliminary analysis, the actions of the security personnel were justified. According to King Alarm, their employees, like every Jamaican, have the right to defend themselves using proportionate force when their lives have been threatened. It says the company also has a strict use of force policy, stipulating minimal force be used in every situation. The security company says its personnel involved in the shooting have been taken off frontline duty while the incident is being investigated. Meanwhile, King Alarm says it is also investigating the circumstances under which another of the company's security personnel on the scene discharged his firearm in the direction of what appeared to have been a fleeing suspect.
Teach them! Hey yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment below. Remember to like and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Follow me on social media and check out the suggested videos on screen. This is Teach saying, until next time, walk good, my friends.